Starting 3 big money side hustles from scratch is a challenge I'm diving into, and I'm excited to see how much I can earn in just 1 month. Side hustles have the power to transform your financial situation, giving you the freedom to pursue your passions and live life on your own terms. Many people struggle to make ends meet, which is why side hustles have gained so much popularity. They provide a way to earn extra income without sacrificing your full-time job. But let's be honest, finding the time and motivation to start can be tough. A lot of folks think they lack the necessary skills or experience. Others feel overwhelmed by their busy schedules or the endless possibilities out there. And then there's that paralyzing fear of failure. What if you pour your heart into something that doesn't pan out? What if you're not good enough? But here's the truth. Starting a side hustle doesn't have to be complicated. You don't need a groundbreaking idea or years of experience. All it takes is the willingness to take action and put in the work. Let's talk about some of the most lucrative side hustles you can start right now. First up is freelancing. If you have skills in writing, design, or development, there are countless clients ready to pay for your expertise. The beauty of freelancing is that you can do it from home, setting your own hours and rates. Next, consider online tutoring. If you're knowledgeable in a subject, you can connect with students worldwide. The demand for online tutors is massive, and you can earn upwards of $50 an hour. It's a fantastic way to share your knowledge while making a solid income. If marketing and sales excite you, affiliate marketing might be your ideal side hustle. By promoting other people's products, you earn a commission on every sale. With the right approach, the potential to earn tens of thousands of dollars each month is very real. And let's not forget about selling products online. If you're crafty or have a passion for creating, there's a market for your unique items. Whether it's jewelry, clothing, or handmade crafts, people are willing to pay for quality and originality. So, what makes these side hustles effective? They tap into existing markets and meet real demands. By offering services or products that people need, you can attract clients and customers quickly. Plus, they offer incredible flexibility. You can work when you want, how you want, and from wherever you want, allowing you to fit your hustle around your life. If I had to pick one standout side hustle with the highest earning potential, it would definitely be affiliate marketing. It's scalable, meaning as your audience grows, so does your income. With the right strategy, you can create a stream of passive income that lasts for years. In conclusion, starting a side hustle is more accessible than you might think. It's a fantastic way to boost your income and take control of your financial future. Whether you choose freelancing, online tutoring, affiliate marketing, or selling products, the key is to take action and start now. If you have a favorite side hustle, share it with the community. Your insights could inspire someone else to take that first step.